What's going on, kids? Owen Nick. I was just looking at some of these bikes. I kind of feel bad. Like this old Honda Super Sport. This was a nice bike in its time. 4 on one side. And this little Honda 350 looks like it got caught in fire. But motor still kicks over. It looks like it was a really clean bike at one time. Like not before it caught on fire. The paint's nice and looks like it was very well taken care of. And then it got caught in a fire. Doesn't look like this. Doesn't look like the bike is what caught fire. Something, it was in a building and it caught fire. Because I don't see any source of fire. I think it was in a building that caught on fire. It's not done. I mean, it could be fixed. New tank, new side covers. A shame because it was clean at one time. So many bikes that you look at and wonder who owned it and what it's been through in its life. I mean, it's all kinds of them. Like this twin Jawa. Like, where was this his whole life? Who rode it? Where'd they ride it to? That was a cool bike in its day. God, there's a lot of Gullwings. Got endless Gullwings. The PE 250. That was a great bike too, man. When the PE came out, they were just rocket ships on the dirt. Serious guards there. Well, I'm gonna go exploring. See if I can dig something up I've never seen before. It's not that hard when you got 10 acres or 9 acres of parts. It's muddy though. I got my mud boots on. I think I might go through some of these seat trailers, see if I can find any Benelli seat frames. Since I got foam and covers. I found one here already. But that's all four-wheeler stuff. I don't really need any four-wheeler stuff. This is all dirt bike stuff. And it's a lot of it too. This whole field's dirt bikes. They're just piled in there. But there's still good stuff. I mean, look, there's a perfectly good rim. Those gold anodized rims. There's good tanks out here. Hey, look at that. That's a Benelli Riverside tank. She's a little toasty, but it is a Benelli. You can find bits and pieces, man. Tons of good frames. Once in a while, you get a motor, you kick it, and it's still got compression. Yeah, it just goes on. Yamaha. This is a good time because in another month this will be all weeds and you won't even be able to see what's in here. It'll just be all weeds. Caught on stuff here. God, there's so many bikes in here. There's a complete Cali 100. Missing a couple odds and ends. Sometimes you come across one that's just, you can't even believe it's in here because it's almost complete and it's in great shape. Not a lot, but there is some in here. Hondas. God, they're piled up, man. Just piled up. Ever see so many bikes in one spot? Look, it's just everywhere. This is only one field. There's multiple fields. Suzuki 600 GSXR. Probably a good motor because look, front end collision. Bent the front end. I bet you that motor's still good. The gauges are gone, so I can't tell you how many miles are on. It's a digital gauge anyway, so I wouldn't be able to tell you anyway. The Yamaha 100. Man, there's a lot of bikes. Alright, well, I'm going to go. There's a Trimoto 175 body. See it right there? Trimoto 175. You don't see it around. What's that right there? Let's see if I can climb back here. This is all the weird stuff. Orphan bikes. Bombardiers and some Benelli Mojaves back here. That's a Bombardier. See, Bombardier. You gotta watch these damn sticker bushes. Ugh. Walking through a maze here. I wanted to see what this little bike was. No motor in it. It's cute though. Little baby peanut tank. Alright, well, I'm going to put my phone away so I can really search. See if I can find something cool. What's that? What is this? WZK. What's a WZK? For WSK? WK? I don't know what that is. Anyone know what it is? I don't know what that is. WSK. It's got an upswing pipe on it like an Enduro. It's pretty toasty, but the motor's there. Alright guys, see you soon.